Hi guys, my name is Lauren Brown and I'm an athletic trainer with WRNW Northwest that primarily works on the operational side of things. Probably just like you, our lives have been turned upside down since really the beginning of March. And with that, a lot of our clients are considered essential manufacturing as we have a lot of food, pet food, among other resources that we provide for. Well, to ensure we kept them safe, we changed over our business model fairly rapidly to now begin providing COVID temperature screening as well as questionnaire screening at the start of each shift. And early on in the pandemic, really PPE was fairly easy to come by. And as the weeks have progressed and the numbers have spread across the US, it's been harder and harder to come by. And at one point, we found ourselves at a standstill. We could either continue providing these services that would ensure that an outbreak didn't take place within essential manufacturing, or we could halt production of COVID screening because we did not have the proper PPE. So we did a little digging, a little thinking, and with a trip to the hardware store as well as the grocery store, we came up with a life hack of how to make a face shield. So that's what I'm about to share with you today. Okay, so the materials I purchased are a Scotch laminator, flagging tape, and our awesome owner Mindy, who has spent many years in the woods, highly recommended this tape. It's stretchy, non-adhesive, and of course we purchased it in WRNW green. A pair of scissors, weather stripping, any size will work, but I've been liking the 1/2-inch foam. Then you need your thermal laminating pouches, and lastly, a hole puncher. And I'm not a very crafty person, so if I can put this together, you can do it too. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you inside my world of what I like to call kitchen table manufacturing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take kind of a flimsy sheet like this, and I'm gonna run it through my laminator. And really that's the longest part. So once it comes through the laminator, it'll look more like a thicker piece of plastic, just like this. And you'll take your scissors approximately 3 inches from the bottom and cut out kind of a half moon shape across the bottom, just like this, to assemble your face shield. Then you'll grab your hole punch and you're gonna cut a hole in each corner of the laminated sheet, just like that. Then you're gonna take your weather stripping and cut approximately 6 to 8 inches, enough to cover the forehead. And what's really nice about this weather stripping is this side here is adhesive. And so all you have to do is center that on your laminated sheet, run it down, and press it on. And then the last thing we're gonna do is grab our flagging tape. And like I talked about earlier, this tape is really, I don't know, it's nice. It's a little bit plastic-like, but it's got a good elasticity to it. And the nice thing is you can reuse your face mask and just get new ties if you need to. And so I cut approximately 2-foot strips and thread it down each side of the face shield, just like this. And finally, then I take my face shield, and when I'm ready to go screen on site, I just wrap it around my forehead just like this. And then I go ahead and tie. And that is how you manufacture your own face shield.